I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a very interesting question on combination of functions. We are given f of x equals to 3 cos 2x and g of x equals to sine 2x. You need to calculate product of these two functions, right? That's exercise. At times in the test, we may have some more parts to it, that is, describe characteristics. Especially for the pre-calculus students or IB students, that could be a very important part. Describe characteristics, for example, end behavior, intervals of increase or decrease, xy intercepts, domain range, and so on, right? Okay, in this exercise, we'll actually do the product of these two, right? So we have f of x times g of x, product of these two. The functions are 3 cos 2x times sine 2x. Now that gives us 3 times, you could write this like sine 2x cos 2x. Does that remind you of anything? Well, the formula is sine 2a, which could be written as 2 sine a cos a, right? In compound angle, if you have both same angles, that is what you get, double angle formula, right? So that is the double angle formula which can help you to simplify this expression. Using this formula 2 times, so we could write this as 3 and we can multiply and divide by 2, right? Write this as sine 2x cos 2x. So 2 times all this becomes twice this number, so we could write this as 3 over 2 sine 4x. You get an idea, right? So what we did here was we combined 2 sine 2x, making it sine 4x using this formula. So what you get is 3 over 2 sine 4x. So that is the function which you get as the product. Now once you have this function, you can always find the time period, right? So now we are working with sine 4x. So time period t is equal to 2 pi by 4, or which is pi by 2. So once you know the time period, you can always write the domain, right? Domain is all real numbers. Range, x-intercepts, y-intercepts, and slightly more difficult could be to find increasing, decreasing intervals. Also, when is function positive, or negative, right? So those intervals. So these are some additional characteristics which you could look into once you've simplified, right? So you may have to review some characteristics of sine waves to answer these, but they're not very difficult. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.